everyone, welcome to Naziya forum. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ GPSTR, HSTR ಮತ್ತು PSTR Aspirant ಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. 10 ರಿಂದ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, GK ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ 10 ರಿಂದ 15 ಅಂಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ GPTಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, HSTRಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, PSTRಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಕೀಸ್. Control-C is help to copy. Control-C ಇದ್ದು ಕಾಪಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Control-C. Control-V is the paste. Control-X is cut. Control-Z is undo. Control-Y is redo. Control-A select all. Control-S save. Control-P print. Control-F find. Control-N new. Control-O open. F1 is help. F2 is rename. F5 refresh. Alt F4 is close the window. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಕೀಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರೇಸ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದಾದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್. CPU ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ALU ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ALU. CU control unit. RAM random access memory. ROM read only memory. USB universal serial bus. PDF portable document format. What is PDF means? Portable document format. www World Wide Web. URL Uniform Resource Locator. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. HTML Hypertext Markup Language. Okay. Here also repeated frequently asked full form is there. Now come to here some random questions. Most important. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device. It accepts data, process it, store it, and produce meaningful information. And what is hardware? Hardware is refers to physical part of computer. That is keyboard, monitor, mouse, printer. That is we call it as a hardware. Software means a set of program that is instructed computer to perform a specific task. What is the difference between a software application? Software. System software, application software. System software runs manage the computer. Application software perform user task. Example MS Word, MS Excel, OL. Operating system OS means what? Software that manages computer hardware and software resources. Example Windows, Linux, Android. They are called operating system. CPU means it is called brain of the computer. It helps to process the data and control the operation. RAM means random access memory. It's a volatile memory and it helps to temporary memory while the computer is running. ROM or read-only memory, non-volatile, and it's a permanent memory also. Input devices, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone. Output devices, monitor, printer, speaker, projector. What is MS Word? Is processing software used to create edit documents. Excel is help to calculation, tables, charts, data analysis. PowerPoint is help to create a slides. Internet is a worldwide network, allow sharing the information and communication. What is web browser? Web browser is a software used to access websites, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, etc. Search engine. Search engine is help to used to find the internet and Google being Yahoo, etc. What is email? Email is electronic mail used to receive digital messages over internet. Computer virus means it's a virus harmful program and damages the files. Antivirus software means antivirus software detect and prevent and remove the computer virus. Cyber security is protection of computer network data from cyber threats and attacks. What is phishing? Phishing is a cyber crime where the attackers trick users into revealing passwords, personal information through the fake email. Cloud computing means storing, processing data and application over the internet instead of local computers. What are the unit of memory? Very important: bit, byte, KB, MB, GB, TB. What is the difference between LAN, MAN, WAN? LAN means local area network within a building. MAN a metropolitan area network within a city. WAN means wide area network across the countries or world. What is Nudi software? Nudi is Kannada typing software developed for typing and creating documents in the Kannada language. Okay, these are the some important questions based on computer. Okay, I hope you like this ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.